someone. I'll pick up the pieces if you come undone. Painting stars upon your ceiling, cause you wish that you could find some feeling, yeah. You know you can call me if you need someone. I need you to hold on. Heaven is a place not so far away. We all know I should be the one to say we all make mistakes. So take my hand and hold on. Tell me everything that you need to say. Cause I know how it feels to be someone. Feels to be someone who moves me away. You give our answers in a place unknown. You need that connection, but you can't get close. You're painting stars upon your ceiling, cause you wish that you could find something there. You know you can call me if you need someone. I need you to hold on. Heaven is a place not so far away. We all know I should be the one to say we don't make mistakes. So take my hand and hold on. Tell me everything that you need to say. Cause I know how it feels to be someone. Feels to be someone who can be like someone. Calling if you need somebody, I will be there for you. Feel like someone. Calling if you need somebody, I will be there for you. I need you to hold on. Heaven is a place not so far away. We all know I should be the one to say we all make mistakes. So take my hand and hold on. Tell me everything that you need to say. Cause I know how it feels to be someone. Feels to be someone who is living like someone. Call if you need someone, I will be there for you. Yeah, midnight someone. Call if you need somebody, I will be there for you.
Well done, Bax. Well done, buddy.
Thank you so much.
Kel, what did you think of Phoenix's performance?
Oh, that was fab. I mean, considering you threw yourself out of your comfort zone, you looked so confident up there, and you had so much energy. And do you know, it didn't sound like a Justin Bieber song. I've never heard Justin Bieber sing that song. I'm not a fan of Justin Bieber, so it didn't sound like a Justin Bieber song. You don't have typically pop sounding voice, so it made it really edgy, and it was almost sort of like an indie vibe, and I love that. I just love the energy that you put into it, and I'd love to hear you exploring now new different genres of with your voice, because that's such a strength for you. Your voice, I think you can just apply it to a lot of different genres. I had so much fun listening to that, and it was Justin Bieber. I mean, seriously, I loved it.
His new stuff is wicked, you know.
Don't start. I got my boys telling me to listen to Justin Bieber. But no, I just loved everything about that. The performance, the versatility, the voice, everything was great. Well done.
Louise, what do you think?
Yeah, Phoenix, I gotta be honest, I had no doubt you was gonna come out here and smash it this week in terms of energy, because you bring so much energy just with your personality to the stage.
It was the founder.
It probably was. I have got to speak what I feel, and for me, this is my favourite of yours so far. I'm shook by how much potential you've got vocally as a singer. And I think that's something you really need to explore, because with some fine-tuning and you know, some really help and direction with your voice, I think you've got a long way you could go with it. And I didn't expect me to feel that so much from this week, being Upbeat Week. You've got so much energy, you were jumping, but you still remained in tune for the most part, even though you were jumping around the stage like a maniac, you know. So much potential. I'm shook. That's the only way I can say it. That's the only way I can say it, is that I'm shook, because you have so much potential. I really want you to explore it, so please do. Well done, love.
That's great. Phoenix, look, we need to still remember now that, like, when you entered this process 4 weeks ago, you initially entered this as a rapper, all right? And this is something we've sort of checked out to when we've heard little bits of singing. We've gone, you can sing, there's something there. So, look, tonight, last week and this week is kind of like you started a new part of you that you never really delved into. Previous to this, only little bits, because you focus so much on the rapping. But what we are seeing, even though it's not like vocally 100% perfect, what I've seen tonight, even from last week, is your voice developing in front of us, and it's getting stronger and stronger. So I'm thinking, if he keeps doing this sort of vibe, his voice is going to continue to shine and grow, and your breathing and things like that is going to get better and better and better. Again, I agree with Louise. This was my favourite choice you've done so far in the competition, because we're actually seeing, in my eyes, you for the first time. That's how I feel. And that's not a bad thing, because the other things you do is fantastic. Your rapping and everything's fantastic. But this is something that you should have been much more aware of a long time ago. You can sing. You've got a very unique sound. It's very indie. It's very alternative. It sits with the sort of artists out there now, like your Ed Sheerans and all of this indie sort of alternative vibe. It sits. So keep doing what you're doing. This was a bit of a risk tonight with this choice, because when you said Justin Bieber, I thought, Justin Bieber, no, that's going a different direction to where I wanted him to go. And you came out and it didn't sound like Justin Bieber. It sounded like that punk rock band. I don't know the name, but I've heard a punk rock band and it reminded... Like them, yeah, all that sort of stuff. And so tonight we got to see... Yeah, tonight we got to see a bit more of that sort of sound that you got coming out. You 100% ticked all the boxes of what you needed to do this week. Your confidence, is something that you're starting to get relaxed to now, so you're feeling like you can just talk with us and that. Keep doing what you're doing. That was 100% a step up again. You're on the right path. Well done, buddy. Round of applause for Phoenix, guys.